Before we get started on this episode, I got to give a big shout out to our sponsor, JEGS. They really came through for us on this event. I will say I kind of dropped the ball and didn't get our media coverage like we should, but I hope you enjoy the show. And I forgot to mention, if you happen to see one of your homies' cars, make sure you share it to them. Now, Wes, roll the video.
Welcome to Houston, the home of Texas 2K. We made it, and this is gonna be a riot. It's beautiful cars everywhere. Everywhere. Like the entire lineup of McLarens, Corvettes, F-body drag cars. There's even bag car haulers. This is an experience. If you guys, the world needs more of this. On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we are at Texas 2K 2022, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. It has been a long journey to get here. Time to put Wesley to work. We even contracted outside source. My man Shifty. All-wheel drive Lambo drag car, beadlocks on all four corners. I need one. How about a carbon fiber Evo? Or two of them. That's just crazy. You guys know I love me a Supra, right? Wow. So when you measure your turbo by football size versus millimeters, I have to say this is probably one of the baddest Corollas on the planet. 2JZ power with a giant turbo. Big shout out to Cletus for getting the mullet to 200 miles per hour. Seen it posted on the old gram. Congrats, brother.
a street car and a stick shift. I believe that's the order. Fabian can correct me. You guys just need to be ready to head to the staging lanes as soon as we get done with the road race event.
You guys are gonna love this. We got 3 Mark IV Supras in a row. Just the turbos popping out of the hood on each one of them. You guys ever seen a twin turbo Viper drag car? They're gonna call it a street car, but I don't know. That's a giant tire. And we just stumbled across our friend Tyler's track hawk. And not just any track hawk. This is the fastest and quickest track hawk in the world at the moment of shooting this video. And if you want to see more of this one, check out the showcase video of this track hawk. This thing is sick. You know what's better than one C8 with twin turbos? 2 C8s with twin turbos.
So once again, heavyweight street car, start getting them ready as this is the super sport category. Mitch Michaels left side, Heath Mountain's right side.
Oh my God, guys, I have fallen in love at the Weld Wheel booth. I need some of these for the race car. Gorgeous. Wes, show them. So the crazy thing about Texas 2K is you'll get a few good runs and then somebody will have a mishap and oil down the track, and then you go into standby cleanup mode for about an hour and a half. So back to looking at cars. I'm gonna be honest, a big tire Subaru was freaking cool looking. R8s are phenomenal cars. But I swear to God, if I see another one, I'm just gonna film it and show you guys. But there's a lot of them out here. Oh, there's a couple GTRs too. We have reached the land of the majestic C6 Corvette. Look as they intimidate all the hell kitties around. to take a second here to thank our sponsor, JEGS. Check out the link in the description. If you need any Go Fast parts, use JEGS. You guys know the BMWs are starting to grow on your boy. Kind of like it. Kind of like it a lot. Okay. Hashtag dad life, like, and then soccer mom life. But they're freaking awesome. Ooh, I got a soft spot for a C10, and good God. There's so much cool stuff here. Hey look, it's Shifty. By the way, he's got a YouTube channel too. Wes, put the link there. The craziest thing about Texas 2K is you come to a drag strip where you're prepared to see some of the fastest cars in the country, and you're not seeing big block Dodges and big block Chevys. You're seeing Audi R8s, Lamborghinis, and just the crazy GTRs. It's crazy where the car scene has gone. Like, I'm used to coming to a drag strip and you see like Camaros and big block Chevy, like classic muscle, but this is some new shit right here. Like, this is cool. Okay, one of the coolest and most unique cars here. How about a twin turbo, I'd say RX3 front swapped FD RX7 with twin turbos. And after further investigation, it's even all-wheel drive. So that's twin turbo, 4-rotor, all-wheel drive, RX7. Whose car is it? Oh my God. That is probably the most unique car out here. So we're discussing bloggy versus full cinematic, and we're trying to find a happy medium. So guys, I really hope you're enjoying this video, the mix between yours truly and the work of a master. Now that we're done at the track, it's time to go to the meet and greet. Possibly have a little fun on the way.
have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the show. Now remember, if you spotted one of your homies in there, make sure you tag him. Hell, make sure you send it to your grandma or anybody. We need this channel to grow. We want to entertain you. So like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one.